Welcome to Wheels and Wings, your ultimate destination for everything on wheels and in the skies. Today we are diving into an exciting review of the 2026 Ford Torino Cobra, a modern-day muscle car that revives the spirit of classic American performance with cutting-edge technology and bold design. The 2026 Ford Torino Cobra makes a powerful statement right from the first glance. With an aggressive stance, a sculpted hood, and sleek LED lighting, it's clear this machine means business. The front fascia is dominated by a wide grille that enhances airflow and gives it a mean look, while the rear features quad exhaust tips and a subtle spoiler that ties its retro-modern aesthetic together. This model pays tribute to the original Torino Cobra of the 1970s but brings it into the future with refined touches and modern flair. Under the hood, the 2026 Torino Cobra packs a beast. Powered by a 5.2-liter supercharged V8 engine, it produces a staggering 720 horsepower and 680 pound-feet of torque. This engine is mated to a 10-speed automatic transmission, ensuring lightning-fast shifts and a smooth power delivery. The Cobra rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.4 seconds, making it one of the quickest muscle cars in its class. It features a rear-wheel drive layout with an optional all-wheel drive system for those who want even more control and performance. The driving experience is enhanced by a new adaptive suspension system that adjusts in real time based on road conditions and driving style. Whether cruising on the highway or tearing up the track, the Torino Cobra provides an exhilarating and confident ride. The Brembo braking system ensures quick stops, while performance tires grip the road tightly, making every turn sharp and responsive. Inside, the cabin blends performance-oriented design with comfort and technology. Premium leather seats with Cobra stitching provide great support, and the flat-bottomed steering wheel adds a sporty feel. The digital instrument cluster is fully customizable, giving drivers key performance metrics and navigation info at a glance. The infotainment system is powered by Ford's latest Sync interface, offering wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium audio system that makes every drive feel like a concert on wheels. Safety and tech features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system, ensuring both peace of mind and convenience for daily driving. The 2026 Torino Cobra truly blends raw power with everyday practicality in a way that few muscle cars manage to do. Whether you are a muscle car enthusiast or just someone who appreciates automotive excellence, the 2026 Ford Torino Cobra is a thrilling ride that stands out in today's performance car scene. It's the perfect mix of past and future, muscle and technology. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join the Wheels and Wings family for more awesome car and aviation content.